Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sorry if my voice is a little bit scratchy and deep today. I have been losing it at my job. Girl. For today's video, I'm actually doing something new. For the past 2 months, I have been subscribed to the Allure Beauty box. I'd actually never even really heard of this box until Jaclyn Hill talked about it on her Snapchat, and she was telling everybody that she collaborated with Allure and was able to create her own beauty box for the month of December. And when she mentioned all the products that she was including in that box, I had to get it. And honestly, I was just planning on getting the 1 month box and then canceling it because I had been doing the Ipsy bag. But then when I saw what was going to be in the January box, I decided to keep the subscription for at least this month, and then we'll see how it goes. So today I'm going to be unpacking the January Allure Beauty box for you guys. If you sign up for this beauty box subscription, your first box is $10, and then every month after that it is $15. And when I saw everything that was going to be in this box, I decided it was worth 15 bucks. Something I've been really liking about the Allure box so far is that when you go online each month, they tell you what's going to be in the box for the upcoming month, and you can either decide if you want it or you want to cancel before that box arrives, so you're not really wasting your money on products that you don't think you want. At least that's the way it's been. If I'm wrong, correct me. I'm new to this. I've definitely heard some mixed reviews about their boxes, but for the past 2 months, I've been really liking it, so we'll see how it goes next month. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so when you first take the top off of the box, they put a quote in it every month. And this one says, "Leaves town for the weekend, packs 10 lipsticks, hashtag Allure Beauty Box," and that is so me. And then the first thing you see inside of the box is this little brochure magazine type thing. It says Allure Beauty Box, and then inside they show you detailed information about all the products that you receive in your box for the month. And then there's a little paragraph here that says "To New Beginnings," and it's all about this month's box, and then it goes through for each product. They give you a cute little description of each product, the price for the full size of it, and also where you can purchase it. And then under that, we have these little paper flaps. I love the way it's set up. I feel like it's opening like a Christmas present every month. And I just feel like it makes the products look so nicely like on display in here, and you open it up and you're like, ooh. So first off, the biggest thing in here that my eyes are immediately drawn to, and the reason I was so excited to get this box, is because it comes with the Sunday Riley C.E.O. Rapid Flash Brightening Serum, and it's full size. So the actual price for this 30 milliliter bottle at Sephora is $85, and it came in the box this month, and the box was only $15. I was like, oh, so awesome. So like it says, the serum is a brightening serum. It's jam-packed with a ton of like good vitamin C for your skin. It says that it is targeted to quickly fight the visible signs of dullness, dark spots, and discolorations at the source. While diminishing the first signs of aging, it brightens and illuminates the skin instantly, while whatever this scientific name of the gold standard form of vitamin C is, rapidly engages the root causes of uneven skin tone and visibly corrects the look of skin discoloration for naturally brighter, even-toned radiance. I've only used this product twice so far, so I haven't really seen any crazy results, but it feels so nice on my skin. And just like it says in this description, it's a citrus scented gel, which would be awesome in the morning, but I've been using it at night, but it says you can use it morning or night, whichever you prefer. So looking forward to seeing some results from this, hopefully, and just super excited that I got it for 15 bucks. So next up in this box is the In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturizer, and Primer in one from the brand This Works. I've actually gotten this in an Ipsy bag before, so I've used it. What I remember from this is that it felt really moisturizing, and I would put it on under my makeup just because it said it was like a mask, primer, moisturizer all in one, and my skin is always dry, so I wanted it to feel super hydrated before I put on makeup. But I would say it's been about a year since I've used it. Jada, take it out of here. She's playing with a tag and a string. So I can't remember exactly how I felt about it, but I did not like it, so it's awesome that it's in here. The price of a full size of this is $55, and it says that you can buy it on thisworks.com. And also, Allure provided promo codes for almost every product in this box, except for the brightening serum. Next up is this cute little bottle. This one is called The One. And it's from Frederick Fekkai. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Sorry if I'm not. There's a bunch of little like accent symbols over all the letters. And this is The One and then some dry texturizing spray. It is said to deliver a soft volume look for your hair. And I just have to read to you the description that they wrote about this product in here. It says, before I get into how this spray delivers soft volume, let me tell you about the scent. It smells so good that a perfect stranger in a New York City subway car tapped my shoulder to ask what it was. And my husband prefers it to any of the actual perfumes on my vanity. Imagine a supremely chic French woman on a yacht off the Amalfi Coast. Sunny, bright, effortlessly regal. That's the scent. But of course, the scent alone is no reason to worship a product. What has kept me spraying it is the way it gives my roots a natural looking lift. And so the other day I just decided to spray this into my straightened hair just to give it a little bit of texture. And I will say that I'll probably like this a lot more when my hair has like some beach waves in it or something rather than straight. But oh my goodness, you guys, they are not lying about this scent. I sprayed my hair and just kind of like left the house, and then I was walking around that night and I was like, what is that scent? I was just kind of like smelling everything on me and I'm like, where is it coming from? I had sampled a new perfume that day, but I didn't even like it, so I knew it wasn't that smell. All I smelled was something amazing. And then eventually I realized, I was like, oh my gosh, it's my hair. And I was like going up to everybody like, oh my gosh, doesn't my hair smell so good? It's this new spray. I'm gonna spray a little bit right now even though my hair is in a ponytail. I've heard about like hair perfumes. I've never actually used one, although it sounds like a pretty cool idea. But if this stuff gives it some texture too, like this is perfume and texture and everything all in one bottle. I already know that this spray is going to go by so quickly because it's so tiny. But the awesome thing about it is that they give you 20% off for the month of January in here. So I think I will definitely be purchasing it, and it is $29 for the full size bottle. And I'm serious, even the next morning when I woke up, I hadn't washed my hair yet and I could still smell it in my hair. I've never had a shampoo, mousse, gel spray, anything smell that good in my hair for that long. Alright, so we have 2 more items in this box. Next up is this Makeup Forever Artist Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color Rosewood. That's kind of confusing. It doesn't say Rosewood anywhere on the actual lipstick, but it says it in the booklet. So we'll go with it. But it is the color 105. I do enjoy getting these little lipsticks in beauty subscription services because when do you ever actually go through a full liquid lipstick? Unless it's something that you're wearing like every day. But if they're sending you a new color that you haven't tried before, this size is perfect. The full size for this is $20 and it came in my $15 box. The color of this I would say is like a nudie mauve, but it has a lot of cool undertones in it. I was trying to wear it today, but it was just too like almost on the lilac side even. Just wasn't going with my outfit, you know what I mean? But I'll definitely be using this in the future. Here is a swatch of the Makeup Forever liquid lipstick. It's cute, it's cute. And last but not least, we have the Rodial Smokey Eye Pen. I don't know why they call it a pen. It's not clickable, it's a pencil, you sharpen it. And this one is in the color brown. So there is that, super creamy. Everyone can always use a new eyeliner. It's nice because you can create a nice clean line, but like I said, it's a smoky eye pen. So you can smudge it up a little bit and give it a nice little smoky look to your eye. And this is a full size product, and the retail price for this is $21. So that completes this month's Allure Beauty box. Let me know if you guys liked this video, if you like seeing what I got in the box. I'll probably keep doing these videos for as long as I get the box so that you guys know whether I think it's worth your money or not, and so that you can see as well whether you think that the kind of products that they're sending are something that you would want to spend your money on. There's so many different beauty subscriptions out there that I feel like you can kind of try one for a while, see if you like it, see if you get bored with it too easily, move on to the next, see which one you think is worth your money, which one isn't. The thing that I did like about this is that they're sending you pretty much all well-known brands. I had heard of every single one of these brands in this box. Not that the ones that are sending you the smaller indie brands aren't good. I just enjoy getting something that has products that I've heard of, that I maybe want to try out sample size before I go spend the full money on it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you subscribe, make sure you also click that notification bell so that you can be notified when I post new videos. I have a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial that will be coming out really soon, so keep your eyes out for that. But until then, you can keep up with me on Instagram. I'll post my handle in the description box below, as well as a full list of all the products that I got in this month's box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye! It got super dark out within the last 20 minutes of me filming. The lighting's probably all like wonky in here. Gotta do what you gotta do. Gotta work with what you got. Because if you wait till you got it all, you'll never get anything done.